Hello, it's Halloween 2023 and a big part of my family take Halloween very seriously. When I say seriously, what I mean is they see it as an opportunity to have lots of family fun. And I've been tasked this year with the job of converting the double garage behind me into a corridor of terrors for the kids to enjoy. And I'm going to show you that corridor of terrors. It's through that door to my left in a moment. Before I do, let me explain what I've come up with and how I've done it, and then we'll go inside and have a look. So let's imagine that this is the floor space of the garage. It's a double garage, two double doors at the front and a side door here. There's also a little porch there and a stairway going up the back. So what I've done is I've divided the space into two, and then I've used some 3 meter wide weed fabric to hang as a curtain like this, and then all the way along there like this, which creates this corridor through here, along here and round there and back again. I've also put some slits here and here so that I can stand on the other side and reach in with a gloved hand and terrified people. So the idea is you go in here and you walk through in pairs. I will let them go in with parents, and along the way, positioned in this corridor, are lots of little Halloween scary models, which I'll show you in a moment. So that's the basic idea there. And I did this using 3 meter wide weed fabric and a stapler. Do you want to go inside and have a look? Let's do that right now.
Enter, if you dare.
Now bear in mind that it will be pitch black tonight. I've put my torch on my phone so that you can get the experience, but so there's a first spooky scare, and then you go round into this corridor and find a witch hanging from the ceiling. Then we go round the corner to find a clown. And here's one of those slits, and I'll be on the other side of here. My gloved hand will reach out and grab, what's this, up here. Another slit there for me to reach through, and I'll also spray water over the top with a hand spray. And we go around this corner here. What do we find? What's this down here? And then we reach the end, and up there, waiting in what will be complete darkness, towering above us. And then we run for the garage door and escape.